Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you about Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence is a very important concept in mathematics, computer science, biology, and it is also found in nature. So let us see what is Fibonacci number or Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence. The first two terms of this sequence is 0 and 1. And after this, the terms of this sequence are calculated by adding two previous terms. So now we are writing third term of the sequence. First term is 0, second term is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. For fourth term, we will add second and third term. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. 13 plus 21 is 34. Like this. So this is Fibonacci sequence. Now we want to print this Fibonacci sequence. We want to calculate this Fibonacci sequence using recursion in Python. So let us write a code for this. So we are going to write a Python function for finding Fibonacci sequence. So def Fibonacci n. We are passing n argument. So as you can see in this Fibonacci sequence, you can call it this is for n is equal to 0, for n is equal to 1, for 2, for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Okay. So this is 0th term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like this. So if n is equal to n is less than or equal to 1, means n is 0 or 1. So as you can see, for 0th term, Fibonacci number is 0. For first term, it is 1. So if n is 0 or 1, return n. Because for 0th term, n is equal to 0, Fibonacci sequence is 0. Fibonacci number is 0. For 1, it is 1. For 2 also it is 1. So if n is less than or equal to 1, return n. Else, return. Now we are at second term. Second term, if we start from the 0, otherwise third term, that is 1. And it is obtained by adding the previous two terms, that is 0 and 1. So we will write Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibo n minus 2. So Fibonacci n will be calculated by adding Fibonacci n minus 1 and Fibonacci n minus 2. So we will add Fibonacci n minus 1 and Fibonacci n minus 2 to get Fibonacci n. Okay. So this is the recursive Python code for calculating Fibonacci number. Now suppose we want to print a number of terms of this Fibonacci sequence. As you can see, this is an infinite sequence and we cannot print infinite numbers. So for user given number of terms, we can print the Fibonacci sequence. So let us take input from the user. So print give number of terms. So we are asking user to print the number of terms the user want the Fibonacci sequence. Means how many terms the user want. Now take input. So we have taken n as input. For clarity, let us write it n terms because we have used n already. So just to avoid confusion. Okay. So we have taken n terms as input. Now for I in range n terms, print Fibonacci I. Means when I is 0, we will print 0th term. For I equal to 1, Fibonacci 1. For I equal to 2, Fibonacci 2. Like this. Okay. So this code should work. Now let us run it. So it is asking give number of terms. So if I give suppose 8, so I'm getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm getting only 7 terms. No, 8 terms. It is 8 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting 8 terms. Okay. So this is how you can write a code for printing Fibonacci sequence. Okay. So thank you.